Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When an ester R-CO2-R is reduced by LiAlH4, it yields two alcohols, R-CO2-R from the acyl portion and R-O from the alkoxy portion. If both portions give the same alcohol, only a single alcohol product is obtained overall. Moving on to the next step. Analyze option A, CH3CH2CO to CH2CH3 ethyl propanoate. Acyl portion, CH3CH2CO reduces to CH3CH2CH2O, 1-propanol. Alkoxy portion, OCH2CH3 gives CH3CH2O, ethanol. Two different alcohols are produced. Does not satisfy the condition. Moving on to the next step. Analyze option B, C6H5CO to CH2C6H5, benzyl benzoate. Acyl portion, C6H5CO reduces to C6H5CH2O, benzyl alcohol. Alkoxy portion, OCH to C6H5 gives C6H5CH2O, benzyl alcohol. Both portions yield benzyl alcohol, C6H5CH2O. Two molecules of the same single alcohol are produced. This satisfies the condition. And for the final step, analyze option C, C6H5CO to C6H5, phenyl benzoate. Acyl portion, C6H5CO reduces to C6H5CH2O, benzyl alcohol. Alkoxy portion, OC6H5 gives C6H5O, phenol. Two different products are produced. Does not satisfy the condition. Since option B satisfies the condition, option D, none of these is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.